So now in scriptures, everybody, it says Proverbs 23, verse 7. For as he thinketh in his heart, so is he. More, let me think. Let me try to find it. For he is the kind of person who is always thinking about the cause, eat and drink, he says to you, but his heart, hold on, let me think. I gotta try to find it in scriptures. I think it's Proverbs 23, verse 7. For as he thinketh in his heart, so is he. So now, people think that the devices that they're using, a lot of people call it, I'd say probably almost every single person calls it a computer. I call it a word processor personally, and I've called it a word processor for quite some time now. Anybody who uses a word processor to him, and okay, whoever uses a word processor to him, it's a word processor. In Gematria, word processor, Jesus of Nazareth, Shadow of Turin, all those things equals the same calculated number in Gematria. Now, when somebody, if you use your mind, right, if you're using a mind, you think it's a computer and you're using it, it's already in your mind that you're on a computer. Therefore, you've already received the mark of the beast if you believe it to be a computer. I believe it's a person to be a word processor because it processes words. So to me, it's a word processor. If I got it in my mind, it's a word processor, and so Jesus of Nazareth, and I got the seal of God on my forehead. Now, if you think of if it's a computer and you're using a computer, and then you're trying to worship Jesus, you believe it's a computer, then why would you use it if it's the mark of the beast? Why would you even lay hands on it? Why wouldn't you just throw all technology out as it is? Because then you think devices are computers, and everything you touch and everything you do is of the mark of the beast. And then you're sealed by the beast, basically. If you think a laptop or the word processor are computers. That's just how it goes. So personally, I believe that things the inserbs, I call them inserbs. I first received one in my forehead as an ID, and I call it inserb. And then the word processor I use, like the word processor, like a lot of people call computers, I call word processor. To me, I believe it's a word processor because it has to do with Jesus. Word processor, Shaftaran, Jesus of Nazareth, those are all equal to the same calculated number in Gematria. So that's what I went with. Word processor. So just a little bit to look out for and beware, because I did insert in my forehead and in my hand, and I'm getting some more. I'm gonna get an LED in my forehead, and an XEM is called, or something like that, a little above it, and I'll be able to open doors, have easier access to things. And so just beware what you say and what you think. If you believe if you believe in Jesus, then it's good, because if you believe in Jesus, you shall be saved. So anyways, best to y'all who believe in Jesus. Amen.